Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. If your VLC app on Android is acting up, lagging, or not working correctly, clearing the app data can help fix the issue. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to clear VLC app data. First, open the VLC app on your mobile device. Next, tap the settings icon at the top left corner. After that, scroll down until you see the Advanced section. Now tap on Advanced to open more options. Finally, locate the Clear App Data option. Tap on it. Then confirm by clicking Clear when prompted. This will reset the VLC app to its default settings and remove all custom preferences and data. That's it. You've successfully cleared the app data in VLC on your Android phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.